How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly delete music from your Instagram post. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite a simple process, and I should mention that you can do it on all platforms. So that being the desktop app, or rather, not really the app, but more like the Instagram website on your browser, as well as the Instagram app on both Android and iOS. So to actually do so is quite simple. So all you guys need to do is you want to navigate to your profile on Instagram, like so, and then okay, let's actually refresh this real quick. And you want to navigate through your posts and look for one that look for the post whose music you want to delete. So let's pretend that I have music embedded into this post right here. So all you have to do from here is click on the post, and right off the bat, you'll see that there's an option on the top right corner of the window, or the three ellipses, or rather, the three dots, or the ellipses, whatever you want to call it. And from here, you want to click on that, and there should be an option to edit the post, and it'll bring up a new window. And because there's no actual music on this post, I can't really show you, but normally it would appear here in this little area I'm trying to highlight. So if there's music there, you should have the option to delete it. And to show you guys what I mean, there's a little guide here provided by Instagram themselves showing the path that you need to take to actually add music to your posts. So it's pretty much the same thing. Before you post something or when you want to edit the post, you should have the option to add music there. Although if you want to add music, it's only doable on Android and iPhone, as there's no way to do it on desktop. However, you should still be able to delete music or elements within that post just the same. And you basically just want to follow the same path. So edit again, bring up the post, click on the three ellipses, click on edit, and there should be an option to delete music here. So yeah, that's how we do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.